Hi everyone, I'm doing the part of my lesson that I intended to make be for fun and interactive. I'm trying my attempt to using some TPR in order to keep the children's excitement and keep them interested in learning. So here we go. Ready, set, go. All right, class, today we're going to discuss the banana. Remember, we already talked about this. It's banana. Hello? Repeat after me. Banana. Good job. All right. So now we're going to learn a new song. First, we're going to peel the banana. Then we're going to chop the banana. Shake the banana. Drink the banana. Banana. No more banana. Banana. So one more time. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Peel the banana. Peel the banana. Chop the banana. We're gonna shake the banana. Drink the banana. Banana. No more banana. Great job, everyone.